check. So I'm not really sure. I guess that will work on the program screen. Testing out a new VB, as in Victor Boy plugin. It's available on PC or Mac. Trying to figure out some other things for our church live stream. Obviously, this seems like that's what I work on a good bit. I need to be doing other things, like actually studying the Word. But this is what I find myself doing. Um, it's no excuse. That's sad. Anyhow, I'm looking at trying to just get this thing to where when we do our transitions that we are not losing audio, and I want to see what the floor noise is on this plug-in. I do read and listen and pray, but not like I do with this. I don't want y'all to think I'm no heathen or nothing. But anyhow, check 1, 2. Oh man, that VB plug in there is peaking. Check 1, 2. So I want to see what that sounds like. If it's clipping real bad or whatever, we need to bring this down. Let's see what. Check. That's still doing it. Check. That keeps it down. I don't think I want to run that filter that hot. Let's do this. Let's go down to this filter and let's bring this down. Check, 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 check. Yeah, that's kind of hot. Which I got a big mouth, so let's go to this filter and let's bring this down some more. Um, check, check. Obviously, bumping the red ain't horrible, but you don't want to stay in it because you're gonna clip that whole signal, and then you're gonna have all kind of other issues. But I'm gonna run a track. It's just a bass line. And I'm going to see if this is going to go through also. Let me see if I can get this thing. See if I can get it up enough that we can do this. Oops, there it is. So I'm going to run this bass line now. That should be coming in. It's pretty low signal right now. Let me see if I can get that up some. Just removed well, it's called remove. It's just some kind of EQ there. Let me see. Gonna add. This is an EQ. I'm gonna restart this now. Should be restarted. It's a channel EQ. This is called a boom capture. It should be hitting pretty good on that. And I'm gonna remove the boom capture, and I'm gonna go to the 8 EQ, and I'm gonna go to instruments. EQ8 is what it's called. And I'm going to go to the electric bass modern. That's what this is called. I'll restart it. Alright, I'm going to clear the electric bass modern, and I'm going to put in an electric bass vintage just to kind of see what it sounds like. I'm going to restart it. Restart it. And I want to drop in on my vocal mic here. I want to drop in a fab filter. Haven't done it yet, so we're going to do that. I want to go in here, and I'm going to go into plugins, and I'm going to go into Pro Q3. Check 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 2 1 2. I'm gonna bring that up a little bit. I got about let's turn this on, I guess. And I got a bell curve up about, I don't know what that is because this thing here is in the way. Let's see what that is. Check 1 2 1 2 1 2, and we're gonna go back here again. Try to add a little bit of top end on it. Check 1 2 1 2. I have the Pro Q3 Fab filter pulled up right now, and I'm just kind of messing around with the audio here, going up here on the high frequencies. That must be about 2,000. What is this on here? Well, I don't want that on there. Oh, there we go. That'll show me. Now, about 200, it's showing about 192 hertz. This is the 192 hertz. This is attenuated, and this is actually adding some volume to that. So that's probably, I don't know, it might be adding a little bit of bottom end on it. Check 1 2 1 2. And I don't know, I need to listen to the quiet. This is just a microphone on right now. I just did a notch filter in something. It looks like it's picking up some air or something, but I pushed it way down, and it's a very sensitive program, looks like. I just wanted to listen to it and see what it sounded like. Hopefully, this is something we can use on the PC at the church. It doesn't look like it's got a lot of floor noise, though, so hopefully this will work for us.